Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So we've got a new stock item in our used range, and that being a Sprite Quattro EW 2018. What a fantastically well-spec'd twin-axle 6-berth family caravan. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. A nice large front locker box for light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, your steady winder and a couple of 6 kg gas bottles. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got that Sprite logo all the way down the side. You've got an access hatch there with the 240 volt socket inside, an exterior barbecue point, and you've also got an access hatch to underneath that generous sized French bed. So stepping inside this caravan, one of the real unique elements of this caravan is this wonderfully well finished front L-shaped lounge. The little notch that you see there is for a freestanding table to clip into that. High quality of finish on the white cabinetry and a nice large panoramic sunroof coupled with a Hecky light, creating a really spacious family feel at the front of this caravan. Main control centre located above the habitation door and benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system in this particular model. You've got this side dinette area located here as well, and these fixings that you see here are to convert this up into a bunk bed. So this section here converting into a double bed, this section here converting into a bunk bed, and then your French bed there as a double bed gives you the 6-berth caravan. You've got 3 gas hob burners on a combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. Generous sized kitchen work surface, and that little area that you see through there drops down to create a further space if you need it. And a generous sized under counter fridge. Further storage and cabinetry in the kitchen area with an easy usable height microwave. Large French bed that you see here, which lifts up with storage underneath. And this here is the pull across blind to give you some privacy in the bedroom area. Generous sized wardrobe on the left as you step forward to the bedroom area, and further storage and cabinetry located throughout. You've got a television point in this caravan just located here, so you can pop it and watch it from the lounge or watch it from the side dinette area. Tucked away on the wall here is the freestanding table that I was talking about earlier that clips in at the front there. And you've also got a further 240 volt socket here and some USB ports that's been kindly installed by the previous owner. Generous size individual shower cubicle located to the rear of the caravan with a high quality of finish on the sink, vanity mirror, and these are some 2-lay bike rack fixings, so if you wanted to put a bike rack on the back of the caravan you can, and also benefiting there from your Thetford toilet. So a fantastically well spec'd, really well looked after 2018 6-berth family caravan. If you are interested in this particular model, we can take you on a dedicated one-to-one tour with one of our sales executives, and they can cover off other areas of the caravan that I may not have covered off in this short video tour. I hope you've enjoyed the video tour, and we look forward to hearing from you, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.